To replace the jet, cool the inlet, oven, and detector. Turn off the gases and set the electrometer to off. Remove and plug the column, then turn off the GC. Remove the collector assembly. Remove the collector bottom, then remove the lower insulator. Loosen the jet, then remove it. Inspect the jet. Inspect the jet sealing surface for scratches, the tube for bends, and the interior for contamination. You should clean it or replace it. If you choose to replace it, verify that the new jet has the required length and internal diameter.